There's no law and there is no order in this country. So what? And I came to Jamaica to spend my money here so that my Jamaican people can get it. But when I came here, I was sorry that I made the house. It's like a nightmare. Every day I get up, it's like I'm in a dream. What is going on in this country with this crime and violence? The Prime Minister is not connecting with the people of Jamaica. He must now do something. We are all living in fear.
I don't know what to say. I don't know where to begin. I don't know where to end. But please, my Jamaican people, this video should not be skipped. Many people have been coming, trolling me, saying I'm talking negative about Jamaica. I'm not talking anything negative. I'm just airing out those things that your media won't show you because they fear the government. Because the government do not want other countries to see this, whatever is happening in Jamaica. So over time, the insecurity in Jamaica is on a rapid growth. So many people are being killed in Jamaica, but no one is talking about that. So many people are being killed by foreigners. No one is talking about that. There has been mass shooting in Jamaica. No one is talking about that. We have seen the same things that are happening in the US are now happening in Jamaica. The media does not want to show you that. But I'm here to talk about it. The government is so reluctant. We have been seeing and Holness, the Prime Minister, giving a lot of speeches without actions. So innocent Jamaican people have been killed. So many innocent tourists in Jamaica have been killed. Those killing them are not even Jamaicans. Some who are doing these things are foreigners, and no one wants to talk about it. Jamaica is a country of so many good people, but a few of them are rotten. When there is no employment, what do you expect of the youths? They take the similar advantage when they are given guns by those politicians who want to cause chaos in Jamaica. So welcome back to this video, and it's very, very sad. Please do not skip. Let's watch it, come back, give a quick discussion about the same. It's a series of so many videos telling you why the media won't tell you this. They fear. I do not fear. Thank you so much.
Andrew Wellness. Where you deal with? Where you deal with Mr. Andrew Wellness? Where you deal with Star? Where the man I deal with Rasta? Yo, me come for all a little reasoning with the eye and the eye cabinet, you know. Because me see a thing a go on and me I wonder if I pay a cocker in a your cabinet. Saying, all the crime rate of Jamaica, the eye them can't solve it. And Jamaica is just a like a small island with 2.something million people. And a handful of people are walk around a bus gun. And the eye them can't control that. So what if the eye, Mr. Andrew Holness, did I run a country like Germany? We have over 100 million people. How you angle that? Now look here. I live in Germany. And Germany is a country that manufactures a lot of guns, saying and weapons. And me never hear a shot bust here so yet. And over 100 million people live here. I used to live in Switzerland in a place called Bern City, up in a place called Mori. In a Switzerland, every man is entitled by law to a gun in a them house. Every man is entitled to a gun in them house in a Switzerland by law. 99% of the people them in a Switzerland have a gun in them home. And me never hear a shot bust yet. How is the crime rate in a Switzerland? 0. Germany have over 100 million people. How is the crime rate in Germany? 0. So how they can control a little bit of Jamaica with 2 point something million people and a handful a man a run round. I commit crime and I kill people and I shoot people. How they can control that? I don't understand it. See, let me tell you something, Mr. Andrew Wallace. You see, if the I need some advice to solve the crime problem there, forward to Germany or Switzerland and find out from them how them keep for them big giant country under control. That's for them crime rate at 0. See, because I wonder if a bucky master I tell you them to run the country so to destabilize Jamaica. Yeah, it's right. Yes. So Jamaica can unbalance. So them can do what they want to do. Me, Shocking Murray, said that no Andrew Wallace. I'm one of them listen to me, you know. See, with no disrespect, you know. No disrespect to them, you know. I just facts and reality. Take a listen for this here, Mr. Andrew Wallace. Yes.
And I came to Jamaica to spend my money here so that my Jamaican people can get it. But when I came here, I was sorry that I made the house. It's like a nightmare. Every day I get up, it's like I'm in a dream. What is going on in this country with this crime and violence? The Prime Minister is not connecting with the people of Jamaica. He must now do something. We are all living in fear. Thank you, my friend. I'm
born and grew in Westmoreland?
Born and grown in Westmoreland, went to some shop teachers college. And this country has entirely changed, my friend. We do not know what happened. It's a new generation or what? We are living in fear. There's no law, there's no order in this country.
So what you heard happened down here in Little London?
Yesterday, I have problem with the police, but I won't say anything. I personally, but I won't go further. But yesterday was the same thing that happened. They robbed in Little London, and everybody starts scrambling to go in their home. Every shop starts to close. Today, now, is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, today's Friday, and it's the same thing happened. Look how early they close. Look how early all the shops close. Everybody is living in fear, my friend.
I do not fear. I want fear to talk about these atrocities, to talk about the crime in Jamaica. No one is addressing it, and it's really messing up the security system in Jamaica. Now, the government, the Andrew Holness-led government, is taking the youth in Jamaica for recruitment to be policemen and to be in the army. Where are this army? Where are these policemen? Where do they work? I've seen a series of videos caught on camera when police officers were harassing the common citizens instead of fighting those criminals who cause lawlessness in Jamaica. We have seen so many foreigners coming to Jamaica. We don't know whatever they are doing in Jamaica. We have seen so many weapons getting into wrong hands in Jamaica. Where do these weapons pass through? That's the question. Who imports these weapons? Because the Prime Minister himself admitted that Jamaica does not manufacture weapons. So these weapons that are coming into Jamaican land, into Jamaican youths, are being imported. And do you want to tell me it's just someone of a common class that is importing this? No. Some of these weapons being imported are done by top politicians, by those rich people who wants to control the country. But whatever happens, they get the weapons into the wrong hands. What happens when you give an unemployed youth a weapon, a gun, and he lacks money and he doesn't have a life to live? All he thinks is threaten people, rob people, and if you offer any resistance, they shoot you. So the Prime Minister is not even offering a permanent solution to this. Whatever he does is talk, talk, and talk. He started talking 3 years back, and Jamaicans are still dying. The insecurity in Jamaica is still rising. I know some parts of Jamaica are really good, but we have had some cases in Riverton, Kingston, and no one really wants to talk about it. Your media want to talk about it because they fear the government. They fear Andrew Holness. I fear nobody. I'm here to say that the lawlessness in Jamaica is causing a lot of havoc. And the common Jamaican man, the common Jamaican mom, the common Jamaican sister can't go doing their thing, can't go doing their own daily activities to earn a living because of this lawlessness. We have seen visitors, tourists coming to Jamaica, and they leave trolling Jamaica because some of their friends were really harassed. They were told not to go this road because it's so insecure, not to go that. I understand some of those US tourists you have no right to shout and say about the insecurity and mass killing in Jamaica, because just in 2023, the mass killing in the United States was, the mass shooting was more than the days of a year. The mass shooting was 400 plus, others not reported, but they all come and troll Jamaica. But that's just to raise an awareness. Jamaica, it's big time. You stop trolling those people trying to help you. I'm not offering any help. I'm offering just exposure to this matter. Things are happening. No one is talking. Our borders are so porous. No one is talking. We've seen people moving from places to places. Foreigners shooting Jamaicans. No one is talking. They go bribe the judges, then go out after 2 or 3 months. But let me just know, whatever you think of this video, please leave a comment, like, share, and if it's the first time you're coming across the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's grow together. Let's continue exposing those things that the media is hiding from you. I'm not here to hide anything. I'm here to say everything. If you want to come after me, it's okay, but I'm here to hide everything. The Jamaicans need to know the truth. Thank you so much for watching this. Please subscribe.